So welcome to another video of mine. So in this video what I'm going to do, I will make a REST API, RESTful API, and learn Django with the help of Django REST framework. So let's open the documentation of Django. Okay. Documentation Django REST framework. Okay, I will make the open the Django REST framework API, the documentation, and after that, okay, first I have to make a folder that I have previously made. Let me go through it. So what I am learning this time, I am learning Django RESTful things, as Django is a bit complex and it is a bit functional and easier to use. Complex and easier, they both are. So let us go to our Python project folder. Inside that, Django REST framework. Inside that, Django REST API. Do we have anything? Yes, I do have core and virtual environment. Okay, let's delete that core. Okay, let me close this as I have previously making and drag and okay, cancel. Is everything working all right or not? So let me try it. The second can't be because the folder is file is in open another program. Cancel. Is it open? Yes, here it is open. Exit. Okay, it is going to throw error. Control C. Exit. Hopefully it will work. Okay, now cm command prompt. Let's open command prompt, and inside that I have already installed the dependencies which you also have to install. What is first a pip install Django. First you have to make a virtual environment with this command, py -m venv, and the name of the environment, that is venv. Okay, and after that, if you do this and it will create a virtual environment, first you have to go to venv and activate it, /scripts activate, and inside that, okay, you have to install the dependencies. Pip install Django. Then after that, you have to install Django REST framework. So I may copy this thing from here. Okay, Django REST framework, you can use this, copy this, and inside that you can paste it. It will work nicely. Let me see if it is recording nicely or not. Yeah, it is recording. Actually, I have made it a video earlier, but due to some issue of the mic, it's got it is not able to record the voice. So after that, here if we install these all dependencies, we have to say uh, Python, we have to make that thing open. Okay, Django admin, Django admin start app. Django start app, which is core. Okay, it has made it the code. We have to move to this directory, c core. Inside that core, we have to say I have not memorized this thing. I have watched the video earlier. Not a good memorizer I am, so too you may also, as memorizing thing is not a way to learn. I learn by doing, so I have done this thing, but I am not getting that thing what to do next. Inside that we have to say okay, let's go to the video. Don't feel bad that I am doing this watching by video. Oh, okay, let's move back. Alright. Okay, inside that core, what he's going to do. I have watched his video earlier. Okay, python manage.py start app home. What earlier I have done, let me see. Python start project core. Okay, I have done error. What I have done earlier, start app core not. So I have to delete this thing earlier. Okay, that is not a big thing, I may say. Let's close this guy. I used to get into errors, but errors are part of programming, so don't cmd. And inside that we have to say, well, let's activate our virtual environment. And after that, what we have to do, we have to say Django admin start project core. Okay, and after that cd core, and after that we have to say Django admin start project. It is the thing. Let me see. Django. Okay. Okay. Payments on Django REST framework. He has done this thing. Core. And he after that Python manage.py startup. Okay. Python manage. Let's manage.py start app. What is an app? App is home for this thing. Let's move to the Visual Studio Code. What we are going to use in this making. In this video, just I'm making just showing you how we can make a REST API. We will not doing any CRUD operation anything else, but in the next video models, and with the help of serialization of Django REST framework, we will be making models and communicating with them and doing basic CRUD operations. Put patch we will also discuss later, but firstly let's run this thing. I will make you understand what are these things, as I have done this thing a bit time before. Some errors that I have gone through, and I will make sure that you will not go. Okay, here you can see the views.py. Inside that views.py, you can see we have to import some things. Create your views here. Okay, you have to import something. What we are going to import? We will be importing some responses requests from Django. Okay. I have not memorized anything. Okay, that is fine. That is totally fine. Memorizing thing is not. After doing these all things, okay. First of all, let's go to there. Yeah, here you can see. First we have to in the installed app we have to give the REST framework which we have installed in the settings.py file, settings.python file. Here it is in the core. We will find the settings.py file. Inside the installed app, we have to give this React, not React, REST framework. Okay, save it, and inside that views.py we often inside go to tutorials, not tutorial, API guide in the views. Okay, create df request user. Okay, return responses, response, API view and response. Currently we just need this thing, but while moving forward we will have to learn some another things, API view and response. Okay, we have to say that as a decorator we have to use API view as a decorator, and we have to define test which needs a parameter request, and inside that we will be providing a API view, and that parameter is request. And another thing that is, I have to define the routes as which methods it is going to have. Okay, request courses index okay. Inside that API we are going to, but that API is kind of different. Let's move back to that API view. List all the user that is a system authentication class. Okay, all right. API view, that is what we are going to inside that we can pass API views from REST framework dot decorators, we have to say import API view, that API view, that API. Alright, inside that we can pass array or a list that has a which method that is allowed. Currently just get method return what it is going to return the response. Inside that we will provide some JSON as messages messages. Hi coders, so that is our message. And after that, okay, so when it is basically a function to which when we call a API it has to call this. So how do it know? So to make it understandable, let's make a file, not a file. Let's close these all, core and home, move new folder. In the new folder is API. Inside the API we will need under init dot py initializing file. Another file is urls.py. inside the home you can also, inside the core you can also view the urls.py file that we are going to copy from this and make it inside the URL we will. So okay, okay. Now path is not that admin, the path is hi, just hi. Okay, hi. And after that, where it is going to go, I want to import from frm from home dot home dot views, import that method that is hello from where we have defined view.py test. We have defined test. All right, inside that we will pass test. All right, and after that Django path admin, we don't need admin right now. What it is going to do, inside the urls.py file we have to give another path like this. Copy this and do copy this, make it happen. If we have to also ask for include, if it include what it is going to include. If it includes api dot urls, okay, api dot urls. If it includes that api dot urls, inside that api urls.py, if it is include that okay, slash admin, I have to add a backslash after this. Let's see will it happen or not. I have developed all the changes. I may think do it need anything? No, it do not need anything. In the settings I have already updated this. And inside that views I am taking the views inside that urls.py file. Here you can see views and getting the test. Here you can see. All right, so let's try to make it run, and hopefully python manage.py migrate. If it throw any error, then we will see. Okay, it is working right now. Python manage.py run this server. Alright, the server is created at this point. Let's check if it is working or not. Maybe it may not work, but let's see where I have defined this inside that admin, but I have to make it change API. Okay, deployment server, no API slash hi. Okay, hi coders. Here you can see here we there is, it is showing us the result. Now let us make ourselves understand how this routing is working inside this. So firstly the URL, this URL core, the core url.py, this is the real path. If after that localhost, and if after that there is anything like API or admin, if there is admin, then what it is going to do, it is going to go this there. Okay. Okay, if there is a API, and if that API, after that API, something includes inside that API.urls, if something like hi, we can predefine any other things like we can make other functions. Okay, let's make okay use.py file. Let's copy this thing and duplicate it with the result of host message yo any message. As we in this at this time we have not used serialization right now, but we will be doing it after the video, another video after this video. Okay, host, I have to inside the urls I have to test and host, and after that path is, I mean to say is path is host, then go to this, then do this function. This is host. Let's run it. It is running. If I say host, okay, you we can view as I have developed Visual Studio Code extension. It is Thunder client. We can check our APIs and test it. We can also use Postman for it, but it is not a very big API or any production level thing, so we can simply use this Thunder client. Okay, localhost, let's copy this URL. Okay, send. Okay, here's the response. If this is like test, okay, it is not test, it is high, it is not getting. Okay, high got us. So here you can see how the routing is working in this. As firstly, after that it check this. If it includes this, it goes to this file. If it includes admin, let's see what happen if it includes admin. I have not tested this earlier. Admin, okay, that is Django administration. So here the Django has provided itself. Okay, and that's all for this video. As you might have understood the way how the routing is working and how we can make a simple API out of it. That's all. Okay, do you know what is a model? Model is basically a database. It is basically for creating databases and tables with the help of classes, like object oriented programming. Okay, we will be discussing it after this video.